Hi, and welcome to Getting Started with ImageToPCB. In this video, we will guide you through the process of generating the gerber and drill files required to get your PCBs manufactured from an image. First of all, we will load our image using the File menu. It's important to make sure that your image uses different colors for its different elements. In this example, we are using black for copper areas, red for drills, green for silkscreen, and white for copper-free areas. If your image doesn't have elements differentiated, then you can easily do some pre-processing with GIMP, Paint, or your preferred image editor. And it is also important to have our image cropped so there's no frame or extra pixels beyond the PCB outline. So if we originally had this kind of image, we need to get rid of this frame and crop it before loading so it looks like this. Since we have our image ready, the next step is to set PCB dimensions. Alternatively, we can click on the DPI button to set the image resolution, and ImageToPCB will translate that DPI into PCB dimensions in millimeters. Copper preview looks good, so we'll export that gerber right away. We click on the Export button and set the path and file name. In order to export silkscreen in Gerber 2, we need to find the color parameters that match the green text on the image. So we'll use the What's This Color feature. We need to set that RGB code to Gerber 2. Then hit Update Previews button, and there we go. We are ready to export silkscreen. Let's start drill export. The software identifies different drill groups according to their sizes on the image, and each one of them is represented in a different color in the image preview. If you are not satisfied with the current groupings, there are some tolerance parameters you can play with to reach the desired result. Once grouping is correct, the next step is to set the final diameter for each group of drills, here in the last column of the table. The industry standard output format for drills is excellon, but you can also export drills as a gerber if you want to. There is also an option to generate a simple soldermask gerber based on the drill's position, adding a certain margin or annular ring to its diameter. Be aware that this soldermask feature would be only suitable for PCBs that only have through-hole components, but it can be an easy solution to protect the tracks of your board and to avoid accidental shorts during the soldering process. So we click on the Export button and choose the path and file name. Finally, there's also a button to export the outline of the PCB. It simply takes the PCB dimensions and exports a gerber of that rectangle. That's it. Here you can see the exported files, ready to be sent to your preferred PCB manufacturer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any further questions, just visit ImageToPCB website. Bye.